Grace is, it's almost like the letting go of the sovereignty allows that which is sovereign to intercede. We call that intervention via the Holy Spirit, generally, right? Yeah. That through contrition, through undoingness, through surrender and willingness, that we create the space for the miraculous, which occurs as, termed as grace. Huh? Enlightenment itself is by God's grace. Yeah? Because all you can do is remove the impediments. You can only remove the impediments to higher consciousness. You cannot cause higher consciousness to happen. You can remove the impediments to love, and then love takes over. Love having a higher energy tends to transform the event itself. So we can remove the impediments, but the final step is by God alone, you know, God only. That we call grace. Grace means that to our degree of knowingness, we could not possibly justify it within any kind of reason. Yeah? The reprieve at the last instant, even though you knew you committed the crime, you know? And yet suddenly the reprieve comes through. Some people say it's the earned karma, good karma from other lifetimes, huh?